the leather.
Shenanigans.
Just insert new perforated leather, which works for it. And he's going to do the whole thing for $1,000. This guy says,
Sherman, do you got Chingaderas? Yeah, he does.
Okay. We've got power right here. We're going to wait for Grant to finish his nuts.
Well, damn.
Isn't this the coil?
That's the coil. We got to get power to it. Where do we put the power?
There's got to be a wire somewhere.
Yeah, but which wire? Where do we do it?
I think I'm cheating because I saw you grab this one before.
That's
Ah.
the right
But
one.
it's all kind of corroded.
Oh, that's fine. It'll work.
What's the
The
magic
important
word,
thing-
Chuck?
It's fine.
There you
See,
go.
this one right here is the one that goes to the distributor.
Oh,
Okay? And it's connected here. So this is where we put power to the system.
oh, I see.
And we do that right here, like that.
Woo!
And we got power. So that's a good thing.
So that goes to the battery.
Custom
Right.
Sherman welding right there.
What's the fan?
Pardon?
Oh yeah, what's that fan?
Oh,
We should take that fan off maybe. I don't
No, it'll help keep it cool.
think I'm gonna go.
Hey,
It's not gonna backfire, is it?
Hopefully.
'Cause I don't like.
it might.
Hopefully. Oh, come on.
Peter, you have cars and you don't like noise.
My cars don't backfire.
So who wants to start it?
Who wants to play with it?
No, not me. I'm afraid of electricity.
It's only 12 volts. It's fine.
Okay, so we've got, this wire is off right now, so it won't start. This needs to touch that terminal.
To crank it.
This wire here
Yeah.
needs to touch this terminal here. So go ahead and try that.
It's for fun. Hey, look.
And it turned the right way. That's a good sign.
It's fun.
It does,
Allie's
doesn't
getting the
it?
other angle over there.
It does,
Multi-angle cam.
doesn't it? Now, we don't know how long it's been since this thing started. I was told that it ran. But, you know, that's what I was told. We're going to find out if it actually runs. So we're going to jam this down in there.
Okay, you got juice
And
there.
Grant's gonna give us the honors again.
Woo!
It'll be fine. Okay, stop.
Tonight's class, we learned how to hotwire cars. So in case we see something we want.
What?
We took off the drive shaft.
This is how we borrow
It
things.
probably turns really slowly because it, huh? Well, it doesn't have a lot of, what's the right word I'm looking for? This is interesting. There you go. It turns, it will turn because the oil that's in the transmission is going to cause it to turn. It's going to have a little bit of residual. Yep, go ahead and try it again.
It's fine. Hey, look at that. It ran.
Try it again.
Backfire.
Try it again.
Is your battery not nice?
Doesn't sound like it is.
Battery dead.
All right, so we got to put some more juice in the battery because it almost started.
It was doing it.
This close.
It's the day of bad batteries.
That close? Yes, Allie told me her story. Guess what I get to do Friday morning?
Well, if we
What happened?
I
Yeah,
have a 6-volt,
pretty much. It was on his last leg.
but I haven't charged.
When her car says on the thing, hurry up and start the car or you're fucked. That's basically what it said.
Yeah.
I put it into terms everybody understands.
Let's try it again.
All right. Honors.
Be burned.
We've got 12 amps. Okay, so we do this.
Thank you. I'm started now.
Start
Oh, you're going to feel good in about 5 minutes. Well, that works great.
Dag nabbit.
Maybe it's one of the cables.
I don't
Do
know.
we have shitty cables? That's a little suspect.
It's a little loose. Go ahead, try it again.
seconds ago.
Nope.
There's an engine start badass one in my shop. You wanted me to grab it?
Yeah, that's not good.
That's not good at all. It says ready. Wait.
Why is it saying wait?
Oh, that battery's way low. It's at 11. There it goes.
13. Give it a couple minutes. Let's pop this off.
Yeah, that'll save us.
There, now we're at
Way.
14.
The starter take a shit?
It's got even less now.
Yeah, it's coming back up.
I don't know. What do you think?
I doubt the starter shit.
Pardon?
I doubt the starter took a shit.
No, I don't think so. These
No.
are super robust, super durable, super simple starters. We can take a look at it. There's only 2 bolts holding it on.
Who wants to do starter bang bang?
Pull it off.
Where's the Po Folk impact?
I don't have an impact. I told you, Doc.
No, the Po Folk impact, the hammer.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, well, hit it with that.
Starter.
Ah, yeah, whack it. Beat that shit like it owes you money. That's a starter. This is usually Chevrolet starting position number 1. My Camaro in high school, because I thought it was cool to put headers on it. And then I put a Ford solenoid and you don't have problems anymore.
So while we're charging the battery, let's take the starter off.
We already banged it.
Yeah, let's just take it off and see if it works with no load.
Mm-hmm.
Should just buzz right up. Other way.
Wrong size, probably.
No, you get the wrong size. That looks like 11. It's either 5/8 or 11/16, and it goes towards the block.
Push! Push!
Hurt your hand.
There you go.
Once you get it loosened up, they just spin right off. And you've got another bolt underneath.
You having fun tonight? You're not throwing yourself into it like you normally do.
Okay. What? There's just too much gasoline. There's too many
Spray some more
exposed
carburetor.
parts.
Allie's saving her energy because she's going to tear that engine down probably by herself.
Yeah. There we go.
What? Be proud! Do like Peter did and hold it up like Simba.
Alright.
Simba! You got to go all the way up. There you go. Now it's Simba. All right. Mr. Sherman, shall we have them test it
Yes, we should.
in a very hillbilly manner?
Yeah, we got all these